Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week's big idea is an exercise in surprise and delight, quietly tucked into an artful magalog mail format and waiting to be discovered. So let's take a closer look. YETI began as a company that made coolers for serious outdoor enthusiasts, and they've evolved into a lifestyle brand, adding clothing and gear that supports rugged outdoor use. About twice a year, they send a magalog promotional mailer, basically a catalog with magazine characteristics. It's 64 pages plus cover, perfect bound, and in the center of the spring-summer edition, there's a tipped-in two-sided poster attached to a narrow strip of cover-weight stock. The poster is neatly quarter-folded on a lightweight sheet so that it tucks in and doesn't add bulk. There's a fishing scene from Florida on one side. I'll fold it back down and you'll notice that there's a line of light-tacked fugitive glue holding it in place, which I'll peel off, and then you can see the beautiful photo of Grand Teton and Mount Owen in Wyoming. This poster is essentially a gift for their customers, free of marketing copy and with only minimal branding in the corner. This is a relationship builder that is designed to connect with customers who share their love for the outdoors. For this piece, the thing I'm most impressed with is their marketing restraint. They totally could have made the one side a poster image and the other side marketing content, but they didn't. They could have strategically tucked YETI products into both of the poster images, but they chose not to. They could have skipped the poster altogether and it still would have been a really nice piece, but instead they spent the extra money to make an 8-page catalog insert with no product on it. Now, to be sure, this magazine-like catalog is engineered to sell. The stories are designed to make you spend more time with the piece, slowing you down to read, enjoy, and discover new ways to fit YETI products into your life. This works great for a consumer brand, but I think this idea would be absolutely brilliant for higher ed, with a campus shot on one side and maybe a sports mascot on the other. Tuck it into a view book or acceptance package. How about fundraising for zoos or museums? On the practical side, it could be great for a big infographic, a map, or a large typographic element. Lots of potential with this one. A very special thanks to the creators of the sample featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.